Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making Afang soup, that original Calabar style Afang soup. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comment, and please help me to share the video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing and welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to support me. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, here are my ingredients for this delicious Afang soup. So these are all you'll be needing to prepare your own Afang soup. So here is my Afang leaf. This is the fresh one. I bought it like this from the market. I've already sliced it. Okay, so I'm going to be washing this leaf and then I will pound it. Yes, you have to pound it, or you can use your food processor to pound it. Okay, you can use your blender, but if you are using blender, it will require you to add in water. Okay, so I'll prefer you pound yours. Okay, and then here is my water leaf. So these are the two leaves that makes up afan soup: water leaf and afan leaf. So I've already picked and washed my water leaf. So here is my beef. This beef is frozen. My crayfish. So this is crayfish. And here we have the periwinkle. This is the one in the shell. I don't like this one. I prefer the already the shelled one, but I looked for it in the market. I did not see it. I don't know why this one is scarce. I looked for it, I did not see it. So this one, it will require you to wash it. You have to wash it very well. If not, you are going to end up eating sand. I don't like it. So here I have two types of pepper, yellow and red scotch bonnet pepper. Here is my stockfish. This is stockfish head and the body. So I've already washed this fish. I soaked it in hot water, remove all the dirt, everything, all the nonsense inside. So that's why it's scattered. So now we are going to start cooking our soup. And here in my pot, I'm going to start adding my proteins. That's my beef and my stockfish. I'm adding in my stockfish now because it takes the same time with the beef. Okay, the same cooking time to get done with the meat. So I'll go in with the pepper now. Add in as much as you want, okay, or as little as you want. Just add in the much that you can tolerate. And then I will add in the seasoning cube. So I'm going to add in water enough to cook the meat and the stockfish. This soup doesn't require much water, okay? As a matter of fact, the water leaf itself have water. So you have to cook your proteins until it is 90% or 95%, as in there is no water anymore in the pot. Okay, dry, 90 or 95% dry. So I'm just going to stir. I couldn't stir this now because the meat is frozen. So I'm just going to allow this to cook for few minutes. By then it must have defrosted. Then I will come back to stir. So guys, this is few minutes later. I didn't actually check the time. Our beef is no longer blocked, so I'm going to stir this properly now, and then I will cover this pot. I will allow this to cook. Guys, if you want to go ahead to support your girl further, you can always use the thanks button. Okay, you can always use the thanks button. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to leave your comments, and if you have watched up to now, you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so I'm just going to cover now and allow this to cook until everything is well cooked and the water is dry. Okay, like 90 to 95% dry. I'll be adding in salt now because I've not added salt to the soup. I'll also add in the crayfish. I'll add in the first stage of the palm oil now. Guys, this soup requires lots of palm oil. Like, you have to be generous in your palm oil. Oh. This is not the soup that you'll be stingy in your palm oil, because the sweetness of this soup depends on the palm oil. And also make sure that you're using quality palm oil, not those other palm oil. Okay, quality palm oil. So I'm just going to mix this very well now, mix everything properly to combine, and then I'm going to add in my periwinkle. Like I said, if you are using the periwinkle with the shell, you have to make sure you wash it very well. Okay, wash it, soak it with hot water like for a few minutes, so that the dirt can come out, and wash it very well. If not, you're going to end up eating sand, because this one contains lots of sand. Like, make sure that you wash it very well. So I'm going to cover the pot now. I will allow this to cook for few more minutes. Okay, guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. So guys, as you can see, our liquid is not much anymore, so I'm going to be adding in my water leaf now. I'm going to cover this, allow this to cook for a few minutes. Okay, you have to be careful not to overcook your water leaf. So now I'm going to stir this. Now I'm just going to mix everything very well. So now I'm going to be adding the second stage of the palm oil. Okay, and then I'll add in my afang leaf. This is the afang pounded, my pounded afang leaf. I'm going to stir, cover, and let this cook for a few minutes. Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Have you shared the video? Please help me to share this video, like the video, and don't forget to leave your comments. Okay, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Okay. And guys, here is what we have. Our afang soup is ready. Let me know in the comment section the swallow you'll be enjoying this soup with. Will you be enjoying this with fufu, garri, semo, oats? This soup actually goes down well with fufu. Like, if you have fufu, please, I recommend it with this soup. Okay, you're going to enjoy it, guys. This is so delicious. Let me know if you'll be trying out this afang soup. And here we have it. I'll be enjoying my with my eba, that's garri. Our delicious afang soup is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me, and do all that beautiful stuff. Bye.